let me start by saying that the hype behind the so-called wheelchair present is not warranted at all, because what the president and the sealed days have been made present is a massage and exercise chair, which is not by any means a wheelchair, to enable mobility while or to navigate his office. And we are hearing so much talk about this from the opposition, who were not even present and were not even part of the ceremony that took place at State House to present this massage machine or massage chair together with the other presents which were given to him. And the hype that is there now is all about what they term the wheelchair, which in this case, as I've already alluded to, is not a wheelchair. It is a massage and exercise chair, which is not even mobile. And one wonders where people are getting that it is a mobile chair that navigates or enables the president to navigate in his office. And what we know of late is that the president has been able to carry out his duties without assistance from anyone. And he has been able to travel to summits and conferences without the assistance of the so-called wheelchair. And then one wonders why people should be surprised when the president is given by his own ministers a chair which has come in as a gift from the people that he is leading in his country.
Now, looking at his trip in India, it was difficult for him to actually move around, which is what reports have been saying. If you can just touch around that and just let us know what actually happened at that time in India.
I may not give the exact things that happened in India, but what is true is that for now, a 93-year-old person, definitely nobody would doubt the fact that our president has been gifted or blessed with age. And not only with age, but also age and wisdom. And people do not talk about the wisdom that he has. They talk about his advanced age and saying that it is not enabling to carry out his duties well, when almost everyone is able to see that his faculties are still top-notch, and not many people doubt that he is able to do that. And wherever he has been, other than one misfortunate situation that we have had, which took place in Zimbabwe, there is no other situation where we have had our president tumbling as a result of failing to walk.